how to stop a drill bit on your Black+Decker cordless drill from slipping. So when you're drilling, if you're getting a lot of slipping on your drill bit, what I recommend you doing is that a lot of people use the hand to tighten up the drill bit. What I recommend is always to put it down on a surface, grab the chuck bit here, this is the chuck, and this is the tightening screw. So put it down on the surface, use this hand to hold the chuck, this hand to hold the screw, the tightening bit, and twist the chuck towards you and the tightening away from you, and it'll give it a final nip, and you should find that your drill bits no longer come loose. So hopefully that helps you stop the drill bit from slipping on the Black+Decker cordless drill. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.